guys, you can see the ranks and ranks and tracks extract thanks it takes thanks so thanks. Yeah, I was like, so this is like, thanks. Seems like, but I got thanks on the rank. I got like, thanks on the rank. It does think swing signs, but I don't like 15, so I got like doing sizings above things like that, and ranks and I had it in T.Flight Rudder, but now I don't like instant train, so now it's like I'm gonna get things right, but it's still the rank. I think that's like train. Oh, I'm gonna go something like things. I think. So I can go and with tanks. So get length. Right? I don't know why I didn't like it right. But whatever. Okay. Okay. I don't get like sometimes like I think things I don't want. It doesn't think reasons. I can like actually okay. Next end, so you got okay, so they're getting right. I got thanks. Okay. I got back up the iron. Okay, second goes on to links. I can that's what we got. Okay, that's that thing. But then I got then got the gangs. I got. So I got the gangs. I got the gang. There's a whole bunch of gang. I got like kind of home. So I can't get that scene around home against Rex guns. Saying that this is like a cable. I can get Rex. I can get the experience. Okay, right. Yeah, thanks. So, shrinks to I can't so okay, go. I was like, what the hell, you can say that. Go, Alex. Yeah, let's see, right. So the ranks. So let's go. So bring on the interesting. So okay, characters. So no that. So okay. I can figure the but I really the tanks like driving. Just like tanks so that. So guys, I can see the techniques and go back. So okay guys, I'm games around. I can try to get the fire rate so that I can turn flashlight. So alright. So I can get the decks, cadence, the decks alone. Yes. So get the outfit and yeah, X52 Pro. So that's all good. The decks are fine again. Okay, cool. So again, let's try to get this. If I do it alright. It's something that kind of like that. But yeah, it doesn't. So I can take that and so I think it's that chickens and sinks. Things like kibble. But I'm not gonna get that. I think that I got sinks and so cause like this is like that things that stink focus. Yeah. But I guess so I think that I can do that. Well guys, I hope you guys like the don't subscribe and comment, thanks and make sure you turn like and I got the timer, make sure you hit the bell so that you can get your captures and update the schedule and the captain and so that's okay, so make sure you do that. Okay guys, thanks, I'll see you.